Good day, everyone. For today, we will be discussing an introduction to the subject Fundamentals of Accountancy, Business and Management 1. This subject is commonly known as FABM. This is a design subject or specialized subject for ABM students. We have FABM 1 for grade 11 and FABM 2 for grade 12. And from the word fundamentals, it discusses basic accounting concepts and it utilizes the analytical skills of a student. We use our analytical skills to analyze transactions. And yes, we have math, but we only use the basic one like addition or subtraction. And before we go through the subject, let us know what is the essential for this subject. This subject requires journal sheets 2 column, ledger sheets 2 columns, pencil, eraser, sharpener, ballpen, calculator, and notebook. As you can see, there is no correction tape. It is because erasers is not allowed. Again, it is prohibited in recording transaction. That is why we use pencil for drafting entries, and when we create or commit mistake, we can use eraser to erase it. We have sharpener to sharpen our pencil. And once we are sure to our answer, we can use our ball pen to write it down. But there are some instances that mistake can occur. That is why we have strike-through system. That means placing a single line over the incorrect entry and writing the correct one above or below. We also use calculator that help us in adding or subtracting large amount and notebook that is used for jotting down the information from that discussion. Now that we know what is FABM and what are the essential for this subject, let us now proceed to our first lesson, and it is what is accounting? According to American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant and in terms of money, transaction, and events. This definition highlights the recording, classifying, and summarizing because these are the steps or process to create financial report. And according to Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants, accounting is a service activity. It provides quantitative information that is useful in making economic decisions. In accounting, the goal is to produce financial statement, and it will help the people or business to create decision. And let us now go deeper as we know the nature of accounting. The first one is accounting is a systematic process. Again, it is a systematic process. It has a step-by-step process that should be followed. It has the four aspects of accounting which are recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting that and this will be discussed furthermore later. Second one is accounting is an art. The four aspects of accounting require both knowledge and skills through experience, knowledge, or observation as a means to produce the key end product, which are the financial report. In accounting, you will encounter different problems that need different solution. That is why you need your knowledge and skills through your experiences to create solution for it. And if you create solution, you can create your financial report. And the third one is accounting is a service activity. Earlier, according to Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountant, they also said that accounting is a service activity. It is an occupation that provides financial information. That is why we have accountants as professionals. Now that we know what is accounting and the nature of it, let us now further explain the four aspects of accounting. This is included in the definition provided by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountant and the first definition or nature of the accounting which is it is a systematic process. Let us now explain each of them. The first one is recording. It refers to writing down of business transaction chronologically in the book of accounts as they transpire. Simply means you are going to write down the business transaction to the books of account they transpire or where they belong. Second one is classifying. It means classifying means classify or sorting similar and related transaction into three categories which are asset, liabilities and owner's equity that will be further explained later or in the different lessons. In classifying, we need to sort similar or related transactions so we can easily manage our work on the transactions. Third one is summarizing. It refers to the process of preparing the financial statement from the transaction recorded in the book of accounts. This includes collecting and organizing information to produce a usable financial report or financial data. And the last one or the fourth one is interpreting. It refers to the quantitative and qualitative financial information about the business transaction in the understandable manner. This will allow the people to understand easily the financial statement or financial health of the business. To sum up, we talk about what is accounting and what is the nature of it, which are the accounting is a systematic process, it is an art and it is a service activity, and the four aspects of it, which are the recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting. And all the information I said is from Merriam-Webster Dictionary and from the book of Fundamentals of Accountancy, Business and Management 1 for Senior High School Revised Edition by Flosser Lao. Thank you everyone for listening and hope you learned something today.